Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Floral and Greenhouses, and today we're up on our pool deck at our home, and what I want to showcase is some of the real pretty planters that we did up for our own area, but they're also functional. So we like to spend a lot of time on our deck, and we have our hot tub right here and our pool over there, and we spend a lot of time in this pergola that we built, and we get a lot of mosquitoes. You know, once the evening, the sun starts going down, those mosquitoes come out, and we're up in the North Woods, and we have a lot of mosquitoes. So for our area, of our personal area, we did up these containers, and not only are they pretty, but they're also functional. So what we did is we mixed in some of the mosquito repellent plants, and I'll go through the three that we mixed into this combination. And the first one is Citronella. So Citronella is really the most popular and the most fragrant of them. This is the actual plant that all those mosquito repellent sprays and candles, with the citronella. This is the actual citronella plant itself, and it's in the geranium family. It has a great lemony smell. It smells great. And, when you go through and kind of ruffle it, it has that scent that goes out, and apparently the mosquitoes don't like it. So the citronella, and it's a pretty good sized plant. You can kind of see it poking through all over. It's just foliage though. The second one is Plectranthus. Now, there's two different names for this. I'm kind of old school. I still like to call this ibosa. It is the Plectranthus or ibosa, same plant for this family. And it's really a tall and then trails down. It has these small variegated leaves on it, and there's several different versions of it, but this is the one that we used in ours. So that also has a nice pleasant smell. The third one is this long trailing, and this is catmint. So this is a good one to put on the edge of your container because it just kind of spills out, and that is your spiller. Just a trailing vine, also very fragrant. So to give it a little pizzazz, we mixed in a few flowers. So we have these trailing petunias and also this tall, it's a white daisy, but the actual plant the name of it is the argyranthemum. It's a great big long name. It's a daisy in the daisy family. And we put that at the back to kind of give that height, and then we worked our way down with the citronella, the Plectranthus, and then on the edge we have the petunias and the catmint. And they're very beautiful, but also functional, and it's really nice to have these plants, and they're kind of fun to just look at, but also know that they're helping to kind of keep that little barrier to keep the mosquitoes away. So that's a great tip when you're thinking about what you want to put in your living areas, in your outdoor areas. These are some nice things that you can incorporate into a combination planter, that they're pretty, but they are also functional. So hope those tips help. Thanks for watching.